this is John,
And this is Chuck with GrowPro Solutions.
and we're here to talk about our commercial services we're rolling out. We mainly focus on designing and doing build-outs for new buildings from the ground up, but we do have the capacity to do upgrading current facilities.
So we can design your ideal facility while factoring in your budget and also working within your local and state regulations. So we've got expertise in designing everything from small boutique micro grows all the way up to large-scale vertically integrated cultivation facilities. So as the wholesale manufacturer, we can get you package deals on our equipment and then pass that savings on to you.
When we're designing a facility, we tend to focus on the overall plant health and the actual workload and functionality of the grow. We've been involved in cultivation for about 20 to 25 years collectively, and throughout our experiences, we've learned these tricks and trades on where to find the details that matter and initiate correct features for your building and workflow for the staff.
Right, as a light salesman, I would want to sell you as many lights, but as an actual cultivator, I'm going to be looking at making sure to get you guys set up for success.
We're not just trying to sell you as much as possible and watch it all go to shit afterwards. We really want to help you succeed in this industry. It's a very competitive industry, so your cost per pound is crucial in finding the best measure of success. If we could help you from anywhere from just picking out your racking to your lighting, we could do that, but also we can help you for months on hand creating a whole facility design and helping with the SOPs of your operations.